Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve your team's performance and ensure you're hitting your business goals, OKRs, objectives and key results, are a great framework to use. Today, we'll show you how to implement OKRs using Weekdone, a tool that makes tracking and achieving your goals easier. Let's dive in. 1. Set up your Weekdone account. First, sign up for a Weekdone account and get familiar with its interface. Weekdone is designed to help teams set goals, track progress, and align their work with overall business objectives. Once you're logged in, you can start setting up your OKRs for the upcoming period. Best 4. Getting started with goal setting and tracking within Weekdone. 2. Define your company's top objectives. The first step in implementing OKRs is to define your company's overarching objectives. These are broad, strategic goals that you want to achieve in a given time frame, such as increasing revenue, expanding market share, or improving customer satisfaction. Best 4. Setting high-level, impactful company goals. 3. Break down objectives into key results. For each objective, define measurable key results that will show you're making progress. These key results should be specific, quantifiable, and time-bound, such as increase website traffic by 20% or close 50 new sales deals. Best 4. Turning big-picture objectives into actionable, measurable outcomes. 4. Assign OKRs to teams and individuals. Once you have your company's objectives and key results in place, assign them to relevant teams and individuals in Weekdone. This ensures everyone in your team knows what they are working toward and how their work contributes to the company's goals. Best 4. Aligning team members' goals with company-wide objectives. 5. Track progress regularly. With Weekdone, you can track the progress of your OKRs in real time. Regularly update the status of each key result so you can see where you're on track and where improvements are needed. Weekly check-ins are a great way to stay on top of your OKRs. Best 4. Monitoring progress and staying aligned with goals. 6. Adjust and refine OKRs. OKRs are not set in stone. If things are not going as planned, don't be afraid to adjust them. Weekdone allows you to update your OKRs as necessary, ensuring they remain relevant and achievable based on current circumstances. Best 4. Keeping goals flexible and adaptable. 7. Use dashboards for team alignment. Weekdone offers dashboards that give you a clear visual overview of your team's OKRs and progress. These dashboards make it easy for team members and managers to stay on the same page and identify areas that need attention. Best 4. Keeping the team aligned with a visual progress tracker. 8. Celebrate success and learn from failures. At the end of each OKR period, take the time to celebrate your successes and learn from any failures. Weekdone provides reports to analyze which OKRs were met and which weren't, helping you identify areas of improvement for the next cycle. Best 4. Reviewing performance and learning from past OKR cycles. 9. Iterate and set new OKRs. Once the current OKR cycle ends, use the insights gained to set new objectives for the next period. Weekdone's feedback and reporting features make it easier to adjust your approach and continue making progress toward your goals. Best 4. Refining the OKR process and setting new targets for growth. Which one should you use? For clear goal setting, use Weekdone's OKR framework to align your team's objectives with company-wide goals. For tracking progress, keep track of key results through regular updates and visual dashboards. For continuous improvement, learn from each OKR cycle and refine your approach for future success. Implementing OKRs with Weekdone helps your team stay focused, accountable, and aligned with your business objectives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.